Hey guys, Captain Hot Pants here with Hot Pants LLC. I've been sick since Saturday night, so I haven't been able to do much, but finally today I was able to finish the refractor wall, the majority of it at least. Got it filled up all the way to the top with our nice little mixture, and then took my oxy fuel torch, ran over the top a little bit. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there we are. Looks a little melted. That's because I sat there for about 30 seconds with the oxy fuel torch on, and it actually just melted it a little bit. So I'm pretty impressed. Expecting, since I built it and all. But today I thought I'd play with crucible material that I'm making currently right now. And what I have done is actually mixed aluminum oxide, then also mixed graphite with refractor cement. Yeah, I know it's kind of redundant adding more, aluminum oxide when it already has it in, but I thought, hey, since I have some extra, I might as well just throw it in there, not let it go to waste. And currently right now, this is what it looks like. Uh, I didn't mix it completely fully well, but it still looks decent enough to utilize. So I'm going to do a heat test on it by just balling a little bit up, taking the oxy fuel torch to it, see how well it does. Best thing about my job, I can play with fire. So, shockingly, it actually held its form, which is good. It's what I'm wanting it to do. Now, it is still a little brittle, which I'm going to add some, what do you call it? Clay. Yeah, clay. Hold on one second, putting on a glove. And actually get it to where it stays really firm. But as you can see, it's actually staying pretty firm, and it's burning up my co-partner's gloves. Sorry, little Dick Wonder. Let's do a crush test. My little 2-pound hammer. Not bad, but I think we can get it a little bit stronger. At least it held up the temp and didn't crack on it. So that's what we're really looking for. So, till next time, guys. Captain Hot Pants here. Catch you later.